Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about cake decorations in different styles, different color combination, different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoyed my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple cake ideas for your cakes. That is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please guys like, share, comment on my YouTube video. And I hope you enjoy my cake designs. And I hope you love the cake designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. And I hope these designs and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of designs, please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary or any other celebrations. Consider these themed decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or another celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone.